Today, 4th of May 2021, you see that I have installed the windshield, taking it for a test run around Princeton University. I don't think I have installed it properly. The wind is hitting the top of the helmet. I need to raise the windshield a little bit. Have left Plainsboro. I'm going over Route 1. Taking left on Route 27 towards Princeton. There are other fast routes, but I love this route due to the greenery. I love it. On the left is the Carnegie Lake. I have already entered the outskirts of Princeton. Passing through the Princeton University downtown area, you are seeing the students' housing, the shops, the restaurants. The students of this prestigious university are walking around. In the left is the Princeton University. Right, you see all the shops and restaurants. There are a number of good restaurants out here. I'm passing the Nassau Presbyterian Church. This place has a lot of history. Do you know, from July to October 1783, the building Nassau Hall in the left served as the nation's capital and hosted the entire newly formed American government. Even Albert Einstein used to live in Princeton while he used to work at Princeton University. I took a right on Route 206. area on Route 206 has lot of used car dealers. Crossing the Princeton Airport in the left. Princeton Airport is a public use airport, privately owned by Princeton Aero Corp. You can learn to fly at this airport. I love riding this canal road in my area. The roads are narrow and a bit thrilling. Due to water in the canal and the trees, it's a little bit colder and I feel the air is very refreshing out here. It is also part of New Jersey history. This canal was built around 1830 to transport coal from Pennsylvania to New York City. The canal allowed shippers to cut many miles transporting coal from Philadelphia to New York City. Before this canal was built, they had to ship coal around New Jersey into Atlantic Ocean to New York City. With this canal, the shippers don't have to venture into Atlantic Ocean. It used to connect between Delaware River in the south and Raritan River. It remained operational till 1932. Now sections of this canal has been filled for different purpose projects. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe and let me know in the comments.